Through every season, my heart is yours.
Heart, you are always there, the someone that I can lean on. And with all my heart, I choose you today and for the rest of my life. I love you.
It is now my great honor to pronounce you both, Emmanuel and Cecile, as husband and wife. Emmanuel, give you a bride of this. Oh, come on.
One more. Babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Kung balikan man ang hirap, lukat lahat, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon na. Pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng balong, di ko papapalit, hindi mo sa mundo. Oh, eto tayo sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa'yo.